How often should they clean the coop, baby? How often should everyone clean their coop? How often should people clean their coop? Once a week or once a month?
It depends on how many chicken you got. The house wish should be do this like at least every 2 weeks because we got a lot of chicken on it. But we got most of them female. We don't split them yet. Soon all them kids done, they're gonna be split.
After they're cleaning. Okay, we're done now. Be careful. Excuse me. Done cleaning. Fresh pine in the nest. This pine smells so good.
You got my phone?
Everything's cleaned out. Yeah, in my pocket. And what he put inside of the cage is permethrin 2, I think, in a bucket with water, and then he sprinkles it inside so it can kill those little bugs inside. And once it dries, then we'll put the pine on the floor.
Baby.
That's the one that you have on, the pair that you have on your hand. Hi, Gina Bear. Hi. Hi. Go potty, Diamond. Good job. Papa. Sunny, Papa. Sunny. Hi, Papa. Hi. Hi, Bachi. Hi. Hi. Going to potty?